Hey love, it's your girl, Lovely Angel Lady. L to the A to the L. Hey my loves, happy new year to y'all. Happy 2021. I cannot believe we finally made it to 2021. I was so over 2020, but y'all, we are here. And your girl is bringing you another headband wig, another affordable synthetic headband wig. Okay, this is our first review of the new year, so let's get it show hopping. All right, y'all, so let me show y'all this chica. Oh, first and foremost, before we get into this video, I want to give you the opportunity to make it official and join the LAL fam. Officially become one of my gals, one of my lovelies, by what? Just pressing the subscribe button. Is free 99, boo. Don't cost you nothing. Okay, so please subscribe, tap the alert bell so that you won't miss out on any of my uploads. It's just that simple. But now that we got that all squared away, let's get to the official business of the day, and that is this chica that I'm wearing right here, y'all. So this is an Amazon cutie right here. Bam, in your face. This is her. This is who we're wearing. So it just says synthetic headband wigs for black women, 24-inch curly wave wig. So she has some inches. She's wavy, so looks more like 20 to me. And I'm 4'11", so if you're taller, she probably wouldn't even be as long as she is on me. Your girl is a short hay. So y'all, yeah, she's pretty much black. The wave pattern, this is the wave pattern you get. Okay. Let's see, average 22 to 22.75 inches head circumference. She does have the, you know how when you wear your wig grip, it's made out of like that velvet like material, kind of like velour or something like that. She's made out of that. The band on it is made out of that material. And there's one comb in the eye spot that's like up here, so I didn't use that one, but I used the comb in the back. And then I just used the Velcro and just tighten the strap that goes around, and it was pretty secure from there. And then I chose to rock this headband because the one that they sent me was like yellow, white, and blue. It does not match what your girl is wearing today, so we was like, nah, we ain't gonna go there, you know what I'm saying, because we don't want to look cray. So y'all like my necklace? It's probably all turned around. It says Angel. I got this from Shein, as well as the fit. Okay, I'm feeling like Michael and Janet with all this bling. But yeah, I love this headband. I got this set of 3 headbands. They're like a velour type material. If I get close, can y'all tell? With little like pearl looking beads on it. But I thought this would be way cuter with this. And actually I have a little hat that I'm probably gonna end up putting on with this. But I just wanted to come real quick and show y'all, because I know y'all love the affordable cuties, and I want to have y'all looking, what design? Looking good. So your girl had to put you on to this one. So I will put all of the information for y'all in the description box. Y'all, when I tell you, like, this is one that if you're in a rush, you got to get to work. She's so easy to throw on and get out the door. Like, it ain't a whole lot of fuss. I did get a little bit of shedding, but she's pretty comfortable, and there is enough room in here for my big head chicas out there. As far as, I would say she's pretty full as far as density goes. Let me show y'all why I say that. Look at what you get. So you put that together. That's quite a bit of hair. Yes, y'all. So sis is nice and full. I'm trying to see what price they have her set at right now. So you can get her. I think she's on Prime. Let me see. Yep, $25.99 currently. Prices are subject to change though. Currently $25.99. And she is available for Amazon Prime. So hopefully you got Prime. It's worth the money. If you're able to afford to do it, get you Amazon Prime. That way you could cop all the goodies that your girl shows you for the low and get them quick and in a hurry, especially during the time of this pandemic, y'all. I pray that y'all are doing good and y'all are safe out there and everything. But I just really want to get this video up for y'all. This is my second one. Like I said, I'm shooting for more videos a week, so we're gonna try to get there together, y'all. But please share this video. Sharing is caring. I'm gonna show y'all how I style sis, and when I say like easy, you're gonna see just how simple it was for me just to get her on and be done and go do what I gotta do, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, she's super cute in my opinion. The girl LAL is liking, you know, usually I go for the shorter headband wigs, but I wanted something different, and I love wavy hair. So I said, you know, she would be super, super cute, or at least good to try. I didn't know exactly, you know, how she was gonna look. But yeah, and I got my little edges just, I used some edge control first. I used the Lotta Body one, and then I went over it with Gotta Be Glue gel. That way my edges will lay down because my hair is curly and they tend to curl up. So that's about the only way I can get them to lay. But yeah, y'all, so hopefully y'all found this video helpful. I'm dropping all the information for you below, and I'll also include the deets on the lashes that I'm rocking today. These are nice and feathery. Yeah, so, and they're also from Amazon, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, don't sleep on Don't sleep on Amazon. But all right, you guys will find some really good finds. I try to list the items below that I use most often than not. So I hope that y'all enjoy the rest of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all with the music so y'all can vibe to the music. Vibe to the music. Ow. Oh. But all right, y'all. So your girl LAL is gonna catch you in the next one. So I will see you later. Bye bye, y'all.
ask you